In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat in your Gmail account. This is a simple and convenient feature that allows you to communicate directly from your inbox without needing to switch to another application. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Gmail by typing mail.google.com into your address bar and hitting enter. Once you're there, log in with your Gmail credentials if you aren't already. Now that you're in your inbox, take a look at the lower left-hand corner. You'll see a chat icon, which might be represented by a small speech bubble. This is where you can access Google Chat. Click on the chat icon, and a new sidebar will open up, presenting you with your contacts and conversations. If it's your first time using this feature, you might have to enable it first. You can do this by selecting the settings gear icon located at the top right of your Gmail interface. In the Settings menu, choose See All Settings, and then navigate to the Chat and Meet tab. Here, select Google Chat to turn on this feature, and don't forget to save your changes. Next, if you have existing contacts you frequently chat with, they might already be visible in your chat sidebar. However, if you're looking to start a chat with a new contact, simply click on the plus sign next to Chat or Start a Chat at the bottom of this sidebar. A search bar will appear where you can type in the email address or name of the person you want to chat with. Once you've found the right contact, click on their name to open a chat window. In this chat window, you can type your message at the bottom where it says Message. Hit Enter on your keyboard to send your message. You can also send emojis, attach files, and integrate Google Drive files directly into the chat. This makes it easier to collaborate and share documents with your contacts seamlessly. If you wish to switch to a video call, simply click the camera icon to start a Google Meet session directly from the chat. It'll send an invitation link to your contact to join the video call. Remember to adjust your chat settings to your preference by clicking on the 3 vertical dots next to your contact's name in the chat window. From here, you can manage notifications, block contacts, and access additional chat options. By following these steps, you should be able to effortlessly utilize the chat feature in your Gmail account, facilitating easy and efficient communication. It's a great way to stay connected, especially if you're working within the Google Workspace ecosystem. Thank you for watching, and happy chatting.